So the first step you're gonna do is to turn this stem to the front, okay? And if it's hard to turn, you would have to unscrew these two bolts, okay, from both sides to make it loosen a little bit. Now you would need to remove these 4 bolts, okay, and remove this bracket. Next, you just bring this handlebar up, okay. Make sure you would attach correctly. You're gonna see basically both shifters, because this bike comes with, I believe, 21 speed. That's amazing. And then reattach with the 4 bolts you just removed the bracket. So that's how it's gonna look once you attach the handlebar. So you need to tighten these 4 bolts, and also make sure you retighten these 2 bolts from the side and align the handlebar. So to make sure, but you do it everything tighten once the bicycle completely assembled.